ultimately, because the gopis really don't want to hold on to their pride too long, so when Krishna smiles and flatters them and tells them jokes, at one point or another, the pride goes, they drop their contrary mood, and the loving relationship begins to move and spin. And so then Krishna smiles. The gopis are even saying, Smita Vadanasya. Vadan, like Murli Vadan. Vadan means one who holds the Murli to his face. Smita Vadanasya Hare Paravimna. That he smiles with satisfaction when he defeats our contrary. I conquered you. You know, the gopis say, all right. And then they give in and they let Krishna embrace them, and then because he wants that, and ultimately they want that. And he rather likes it that they give him a hard time, as they say. So then Krishna's smiling, I won, I defeated you. And they just look at him, oh, you know, we'll get you the next time. But they're remembering that, and that's their relish. We're holding on to our pride, and I remember when he flattered me. I know exactly what he said. I know exactly the words he said to make me give up my pride and my contrary mood. And then I remember how he smiled, and I didn't like it, but anyway, and now I'm remembering it. I wish he was here. So I don't care how he looks at me or what he does, but just come here, Krishna. So this is love. Separation increases the joy of meeting, but it doesn't end there. It's not nitya separation. It's only an aspect of making the relish of union and meeting again more and more tasty.